Hi, welcome to Navra Kitchen. Today I am preparing custard ladoos. These ladoos are very delicious and easy to prepare. Ingredients required for preparing custard ladoos are 1 cup of desiccated coconut, half cup of condensed milk, 2 tablespoon custard powder, little milk, 2 teaspoon ghee, and mixed nuts of your choice. Procedure for preparing custard ladoos. Take a white pan and add 2 teaspoon ghee. Add mixed nuts of your choice. I have added almonds, cashews and kismis. When nuts are roasted, add 1 cup of desiccated coconut, that is dry coconut powder. Saute the coconut until it changes little brown color. Next, add half cup of condensed milk and give a mix. I have added sweetened condensed milk, therefore I have not added any extra sugar. Take 2 tablespoon custard powder in a bowl, add little milk and make into a paste. Add the prepared custard powder mix into the above mixture and keep mixing until the mixture thickens. Take small portion of the mixture and make a ball. It should be non-sticky. This is the stage when we have to prepare the ladoos. Transfer the mixture into a plate. Grease the hands with little ghee and make the ladoos. Coat the prepared ladoos with the dry coconut powder, that is the desiccated coconut. Delicious custard ladoos are ready.